Now we will discuss questions from test series 1. Question numbers are 48 and 49. The topic asked is measurements, and the subtopic is statistical analysis. So here an IC contains 10 power 5 transistors having a current gain, mean current gain as 20 and the standard deviation as 2. So now we are asked to find how many transistors will have current gain in between 19.8 and 20.2 is dash. So question number 48, first question. So as we all know, whenever a process or a batch process is followed, they all fall in a Gaussian curve. I'm drawing the Gaussian curve. So now this is a Gaussian curve. So now we will normalize this Gaussian curve, where x of 19.8 gives me 19.8 minus 20 by 2 is nothing but 0.1 times sigma. So I am normalizing with respect to the standard deviation. So the other value is 20.2. So if I normalize that also with respect to standard deviation, I get it as 0.1 omega. So now if I redraw my Gaussian curve, this is my mu and this is my 0.1 omega and minus 0.1 omega. So now we are asked to calculate, this corresponds to 19.8 and this corresponds to 20.2. So now we are asked to find the transistors which have a current gain greater than 19.8 and less than 20.2. So this is our boundary limits. So P of x should be greater than minus 0.1 omega and should be less than 0.1 omega. So first we will calculate all the values which are to my left of 0.1 omega, then to my right of minus 0.1 omega. So if I subtract these two quantities, what I get is in between the range 19.8 to 20.2. So P of x greater than minus 0.1 omega is nothing but 1 minus P of x less than 1 minus P of x less than minus 0.1 omega is nothing but 1 minus 0.53928 0.4602, and P of x less than 0.1 sigma is 0.5398. These values are obtained from my probability tables. So now I have to subtract for P of x greater than 19.8 and less than 20.2 to subtract 0.5398 minus 0.4602. So I get it as 0.0796. So if I multiply this with the total number of transistors, that is 10 power 5, what I get is 7960. So these many transistors have value between 19.8 to 20.2. So now moving on to the next question, 49, the continuation. Here we are asked to find how many transistors will have greater than 17 as current gain. In a similar way, we need to calculate x, which is corresponding to 17, as 17 minus 20 by 2, which gives me as minus 1.5 sigma. So here from probability tables, P of x greater than minus 1.5 sigma is 0.9332, which is nothing but 93.32. Thank you. The option here is A. Thank you.